Hello friends, today we are going to make a female fashion face. So how will we start the face? First of all, we have to draw a rectangle. I am telling you what is the measurement to draw a female face. So here we are having inches. So I have to take 1 inch and half inch. This is 1.5 inch. Now I am making a rectangle. So the length of this rectangle is 1.5 and the width is 1 inch. This is 1 inch. Now I will take mid of this width. Mid of this 1 inch is half inch. Half inch. I have joined this straight vertical line. Okay, this is my rectangle to make a female face. Now I have to draw an oval shape to draw a female fashion face. So for making an oval shape, I will mark some dots to make a perfect oval shape. Yes. Okay, so I am making some dots here like this, and I am taking 3 blocks here. 1 block, 2 block and 3 blocks. So 3 blocks both sides. I am going 3 blocks up from this point. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now I will join these 2 points with a broken line to make a outline. Okay. Now I will make an oval shape, a perfect oval shape. Now I will erase the rectangle because I will make hairstyles and features. Now I am going to start to draw eyes, nose, lips and the features. So see, this is the length of my face and this is the mid of the length. So you know, as earlier we have made a male face, the positions are same. At the mid of this length we will make eyes. Okay, and this is my upper division and this is my lower division. Now upper division, I will take again the mid of this point and this point. This is my hair root. Okay, and this is my lower division. I am taking again mid of this and this point. This is my nose line and this is my chin part. Okay, now I will start to draw my eyes. See, this is the eye line. So keep in mind that this straight vertical line, this straight vertical line should be little bit slant. So I am making it a little slant. Now I will start to draw eyes. For making eyes, you see how will I make the eyes. Here. Suppose this is my eye line. So I have to draw my eyes like this. I'm drawing the eyebrows. So for making eyebrows, I have to make a slant line like this. Okay, make it close like this. So these are two slant lines, and then I will make a small slant line, opposite small slant line. So my eyebrows are like this. So you have to make practice of this shape. Okay, this is the shape of my eyebrows. Now I will tell you how to draw the eyes. See, my eyebrows are starting from this point. So I will make my eyes from this point. There should be a distance because we are starting eyebrows from here. So we cannot start my eyes from here. So I have to take some gap here. So, and I will make a slant line again to make eyes like this. See, this is the perfect shape of my eyes. And this is my eyelid. Okay, now I am starting it again from here. You should make it close. Okay, now I will draw the eyeballs. Okay, now focus here. Now I will make my eyes here. Here. See? No. Make it like this. Now I am making eyebrows here. Karo lip. If I can make eyebrows both sides equal, so I will take a measurement from here to here, and then I will go up. I can use my scale to draw these eyebrows equal. Like I can take measurement from here, then I will make a measurement of block here, and then I can use this, then I will draw these lines. I can make it like this also. It depends on you. We have to make some practice, and we should draw it ourselves like this. Essay and essay. Now I will start to draw my eyes. I am starting it from here because eyebrows are from here. Okay, now here. Now I will tell you how to draw the nose. For making a nose, I have to make a block of nose. So I have to make a circle like this. Suppose this is my center line of the face. So I will make a circle here like this. Semicircle here and semicircle here. Now this is a complete circle. Now I will make a half semicircle here and half circle here. So this is my nose line. This is the block for my nose. Now you can see I will draw nose. ये सी जैसे ऐसे then ऐसे then ऐसे. Then I will erase the block. You can see. And I will make nostrils here. It's going to finish. We wait for 2 to 3 minutes. See, this is my perfect nose. Take it. So I will make my nostrils like this. जैसे कि ऐसे then ऐसे then ऐसे and then ऐसे. Can you see? This is my nose. So I will draw my nose here now. This is my point and I am drawing a, yeah, it is slant. Okay, this is my nose. Now I will erase the block inside. Okay, I will erase it later. Now I'm going to make my lips. How can I make my lips? See, जैसे कि here I have to make my lips. So I will make a V shape like this. Then on a curve here. This is the shape for my lips. Now I will draw lips here. You can see I am making a V shape here, then a curve here, now I will reshape my face. Okay, now I will draw hairstyle. Suppose I am starting my hairstyle from here. You know my hair root is here. I am starting it from here. So this is the drawing of my face. In my next video I will show you how to color in this female face. Okay, so you know my eyebrows are broad from here. I think this is complete. And I will erase this center line. I will erase this center line. Now leave it. Now you can see the drawing of face is complete. In my next video I will tell you how to fill color in this face.